say hello to the vlog. The vlog.
I already have dog slobber on my face. It took your dog 8 seconds to slobber me.
I know. Yes, Arlo?
Arlo, come here, bud. Come here.
Say hello, Taffy Top. Hi, everybody. So, Brielle's about to turn the water on me. But basically, Arlo just got his hair cut, and now we're going to set up the pools. See the pools. We're going to set up the pool. So basically, the pool is a pool that I got sent in a sponsorship. They sponsored me, and I used the pool to give Arlo a bath once in the garage. Turn that off so that it doesn't spray immediately. But now we're going to use it for fun time video. So fun time video. We would have done it right away when I got it, but it was like 30 degrees out. It was cold, and Toby was going to have his surgery, and Arlo was still having his thing, so yeah. All right, we'll film in a little bit.